I made $1,375, which is equivalent to Kenyan shillings 177,375 on Prolific. And today I'm showing you exactly how I did it. I'll take you through the full onboarding process, the exact steps I used to start earning immediately, and the mistakes you need to avoid if you want to get approved faster. Watch closely because these could change the way you earn online. Let us start. So this is one of my Prolific account dashboard, the one I was working with before it got banned. The reason as to why it was banned, it's because I gave someone to manage it and used a different proxy. That's why the account got banned. I made a full video explaining the reason as to why this account was banned. So we can continue with checking the account. So let us go through the account, the breakdown of how I earned euro 329 and $986. This is equivalent to 1,375 US dollars. I had 561 submission approved, which earned me 329 euros and $986. So this is the submission history. Right now you can't see the message here because the account is already banned. This is my account. You can see it's Stanley Muli. This is my account. So the reason as to why it was banned, I said I gave someone the account to manage, but instead of using the right proxy, he used a different proxy. That's why I encourage you guys to buy your proxies from IP Bagger. The link is on the description below. So you can't see even a single study because the account was banned. So if we go to the submission, you see I made a total of 767 submission. Out of these 767 submission, only 561 got approved, and this is why I earned this amount of money. So we can go to newest to oldest, also status. We can check to see the approved ones only. So frontline AI collaboration, this is the type of work I was doing. Yeah, we can go through it and see. So let us open like 5 of them so you can be able to see them. We can open like 5 of them. I want to show you the type of questions you'll be doing in Prolific. So it's a good site. If you have time, you can create an account with them so that you can as well earn. So I want to open them so that you can just check. So this is the first one, judgment and social attitudes. 6 minutes you get paid this amount of money. You just go through it. Once you complete, you are given a completion code, then you submit your studies. Then the next one is object category learning. You get paid $6 for a 35 minutes task. It's a decision making. Welcome to a psychology expert. This study is being conducted by researchers in Department of Psychology and Brain Sciences at Indiana University. What is involved in this experiment? You will be presented with images of different rock types and you will learn to assign them to different geological categories. So reward per participant. Each participant will receive a base payment of $6 when they finish the experiment, plus a potential bonus of $4 based on your overall performance. So guys, one thing I like about Prolific, you get paid a base salary and then you can get a potential bonus. So the next one is examining the impact of vicarious exposure of racial trauma online on academic functioning. 14-day meaning survey. This survey was a 14-day which you are getting paid $2 per day, and the study was taking only 1 minute. So this mini survey is part of a longitudinal study that involves multiple surveys across the year 2025. So guys, that's all about it. You can take it on a desktop or mobile or a tablet. Next, it's frontline employee AI collaboration in workplace. Participants needed for academic research study frontline AI collaboration. It's 13 minutes to get paid this. So can go through it. Also, ERP success too. This is another study. You You recently completed part of one survey about enterprise resources planning. This is part 2. Your participation is appreciated. $1 for just 4 minutes. Devices you can use, you can take on a desktop, mobile, or a tablet. Prolific AI video evaluation, 5 minutes for a 15 minutes task. AI generated media images, stroke video, audio evaluation. Each question contains 2 media samples and a decision asking you to pick the best one according to certain criteria. So this is another type. Once the required task time has elapsed, please click complete session button. So this was another task I really loved. It was easy. It was all about AI training. Next is AI disclosure for personal identified brands. You get paid this amount of money for 5 minutes task. Then there is this one, you get paid 17, not 17, for 17 minutes you get paid this amount of money. 9 minutes psychology study. You are invited to take part in a short study. The study is designed to learn more about people's impression of workplaces. It is being conducted by Assistant Professor Andrea Vero, New York University, Abu Dhabi. To participate, you must be 18 years or older, live in the United States. Your participation will take about 8 to 10 minutes and you will be paid $1 to $1.5. You must complete this study from a laptop or desktop computer. If you are currently working on a mobile device, please switch to laptop or desktop computer before proceeding. So guys, I was just showing you the type of questions I was handling, and the list is long. You can go through all these pages, and the pay is quite good. The pay is quite good. You can see $2.5, 0.15, $2, 2.33, then adjustment $5, $5, $5, $3, $5, $2.5, 0.8, $5. The list is long. This is the breakdown of how I managed to make $13.75. You can do this. All you need is to get a secure proxy and then head over to Prolific, get started and apply for those AI training jobs. So you can do this. I did it. You just need to try your luck and don't give up. Don't just sit there without trying your next luck. So guys, that's all about how I managed to make $13.75 from Prolific. So thank you for watching up to that point. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Till the next video, see you guys.